Hi, my name is Jeremy Humphreys, and on this visual bite we're going to be looking at using your Sony FS7 camera as a storytelling tool. When Sony brought the camera out, they called it an immersive experience. My interpretation of that is the camera's ability to handle contrast, the camera's ability to handle colour, and the camera's ability to handle resolution and depth of field gives me the tools as a storyteller, as a visual storyteller, the ability to actually create something, to create an emphasis, an atmosphere, a mood. In terms of the human brain, we can engage the human brain. It's something I'm doing day in, day out as a DOP. I'm using contrast scenes. I'm using colour scenes, warm scenes or blue scenes, and I'm using my depth of field to isolate, to help create that story, to help create that mood, so that when my viewers look at it, they remember it the next day, the next week, or the next month. The FS7 with the Super 35mm sensor has this ability to almost see what we can see with the human eye. So that engagement we can have with that camera is like an artist with a palette. Our palette is what we can do with that camera. They're the very tools that help us engage our audience with visual images, visual stories that they won't forget.